have just finished co-washing my hair, and now I am going to deep condition. I'll be using the Macadamia Natural Deep Repair Mask, and then I will also be using Castor Oil. So I have just finished co-washing my hair. I'm just going to do this section by section. I'm going to take a little, Lord have mercy. This smells amazing, amazing. I like for things to smell edible, and this smells amazing. I'm going to apply this all over this section, and I'm going to rub it in, especially here. This is my section that just kind of does its own thing. That's my little Sahara desert, or you could call it my jungle. I call it both. And there's no product on my hair other than the deep conditioner, the repair mask. And so I'm just going to finger detangle as I go through and just ensure that I get this product to saturate my hair. And I want it all over, all over. And if you can see from my co-wash, my hair is combing through pretty easily. Right? So the conditioner is there. On top of that, I'm going to apply the castor oil. Guys, there's no specific amount that you need to use. This is what I'm using. I just pour some into my hand until I feel it's enough. And I especially like to get this part here. And then wrap it into a small bamboo knot. That section is ready to go. I will move on to the next section. And this is not a time-consuming process. I can literally deep condition on the same day that I co-wash, and I can be done in about 30 minutes or so. Maybe I'll time myself one day and do a video and show you guys how quickly it's done. The thing that does take the longest with the deep conditioning is sitting under the dryer. I do not deviate from that hour when I'm doing my full deep conditioning. I do have a deep conditioning routine that I do that I oftentimes will do midweek if I just feel that my hair needs some moisture. And that's generally going to be, it's going to depend on what kind of hairstyle I wore, how long I kept that hairstyle, etc. Sometimes when I do my sticky bun or my honey bun or my cotton candy bun, I should do videos on those to show you guys my buns. But sometimes when I do those, they are the result of a hairstyle that I've had for a few weeks and that I've just, you know, allowed the hairstyle to evolve, and so ultimately it just goes up into a bun. But there's my deep conditioner. Again, castor oil, as much as you'd like to use. There really is no specific amount. And this oil can be either a lighter oil, such as olive oil, or it can even go lighter than that. Just depending on what you like. Some like coconut oil, which is a little lighter than olive oil. And if you need even lighter, just do it based on your hair and what your hair loves. My hair loves castor oil, and my hair loves olive oil for my styling. So I have finger detangled, and everything is going to go just into a bamboo knot. Literally just wrapping that 2 sections out of the way. So, and ensuring I get the ends with the oil also. So I'm going to twist up my last bamboo knot here, and I am going to sit under the dryer. I will put on my conditioning cap. I like to keep my ears out. I don't know, I feel, judge me if you want, but I feel trapped when my ears are inside of the conditioning cap. I don't want to feel trapped. All right, so I have my conditioning cap on. I will show you guys in just a moment my dryer and how to put that on your hair and sit for an hour, and then I will get back with you and let you see the end result. So what I'm going to do is head to the shower, deep condition my hair, and I'm going to part it in 4 sections.